Well, hello. There's step one, learning to see. This is Robin Thibodeau speaking to you right now from behind the camera. Anywho, I'm a goofball. Anyways, zip that out of the way. You can kind of see in here that this is our horse. She is a Boulonnais, a very fancy French horse. I like to show kids with simple shapes. So this looks like a letter D. Some kids say it's a leaf. It doesn't matter. Just notice that a forehead and a neck, they connect. So just like ours does, it comes all the way back here, all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. And just watch this angle here. See that angle? Bam. Leads you to the hip line. This angle has to be the same. All right, folks? And then this neck leads to the chest. The chest leads to the belly, like that. All right? Anywho, here's our second oval. Oval number 2. Ginormous. But notice this really kind of awkward sort of stop sign shape. I tell kids it's like half a stop sign. And then this curls back really extremely angled like that. Leading us to angles. Angles, angles. Diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. Okay? Vertical. Vertical. Nope, sorry, pardon me. That's diagonal. Moving up here. Vertical. Vertical. Is that vertical? Diagonal. Haha, tricked you. And this angle, there again, all the way down, and diagonal. Okay, I'll show you one more trick. This is cool. So if you're doing hooves, which people often make mistakes on, they are hard, I agree. Do a triangle, isosceles, erase that little chunk. There's your beautiful hoof. Works on all of them. See, check this out. Boom, boom, boom. Erase that one. Got it? Boom, boom. That's awkward. Sorry. You got the idea, I'm sure. Last one. Kind of hidden by the furry stuff, but whatever. Okay, and take that one off right there. Anyways, that's it for now. That's step 1. See you guys in step 2. Bye-bye.